how to actually escape the rat race. Your job is keeping you broke, and here's why. The problem is that you are one layoff from disaster. It doesn't matter whether you make 50,000 or 500,000. If all your money comes from one place, you are on a thin ice. Most people think I just need a raise, but that's missing the point entirely. So what's the fix? Look, you don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you do need a backup plan. Start with one side income. Maybe you can freelance a skill that you have. You can maybe sell something, maybe do consulting. Just get money flowing from a second source. Then you need to own the stuff. Here's what rich people know and you don't. Income pays bills, but ownership builds wealth. You can buy index funds, you can start a small business, maybe you can get an equity somewhere, anything where your money works without you. So what's the bottom line? Stop betting your entire life on one paycheck. Diversify your income, own assets. That's it. That's the whole game.